Hey guys, it's SterlingW. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Singer M3000 series sewing machine. I've been wanting to get a sewing machine for a long time because I want to fix up a lot of clothes and a lot of bags I have around the house that I want to repair. So I got this because it's an entry-level sewing machine and it has a foot pedal and everything just like the one my mom has. So I'm going to probably in the next couple of weeks ask my mom to teach me how to sew. So I decided to get an entry-level sewing machine just for this. It has all the nice features of it and also has a bag of accessories, I guess for bobbins and other stuff. I was on other feet too. It comes with like 4 other feet. And it does come with a quick start guide and it's really simple. You really need to probably download the manual or something else like that. Or I'm going to just ask my mom. Apparently she knows how to do this. She's been doing this for years as a hobby. So I'll probably ask her to, give me the introduction and show me how to actually sew with a sewing machine. So I'll probably see if I can find, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and turn this thing on. As you can see, there's an LED light to where the pin and needle is. So it's pretty cool. There's also a place for the bobbin for the bottom part. So it just pops out by pushing that button. It's enough light, but I think I would probably want some more light. I've seen my mom actually put a lamp under hers. So that's a lot more brighter and I probably will update this with a much brighter table lamp. So you can see the feet are there and there's also little things. There's also a little shield, plastic shield piece that comes with too. That's an accessory piece that goes on top of it so you can actually won't damage your fabric for other fabric. It is pretty sharp. There is like little thread cutting little things here, which I thought was pretty neat too. My mom has actually explained this to me in a really quick manner. But she was going to give me some lessons probably this weekend stuff, so it should be pretty fun. As you can see, there is all these other paths and there's little diagrams around this sewing machine, so it tells you where to thread the thread and how to actually thread it. And I just find this very amazing because this is very complex. I didn't know the thread goes everywhere, but I figured I want to do some learn how to do some introductory. So apparently I was reading the manual and that needle only lasts for about 6 hours, which I thought was kind of strange because my mom's sewing machine probably lasts for 20 years. And she never had to change out a lot of stuff. Maybe her needle broke like, once every 5 years. But we'll take a look at this and we'll do a review of this a little later. But as you can see, there's other stuff that goes around. It looks pretty traditional. And my mom has been explaining to me that it is still very traditional. And I could do all its other fun stuff. And there's like, different stuff you do on this. And I really don't know. I can't wait. Anyways, she was really happy to explain all this stuff to me. So I will definitely go over this. There's so many thread patterns on the stitch length and then the thread pattern design knob. It's so simple to use. I guess it's meant for like people who don't want to see like a computer screen or push buttons. I do like the knob design because you could basically just switch it really quick and go for it. And it does have a pedal and it does have a compartment to put all your accessories. You see the sleeve compartment is pretty cool too. So it has a handle on top and the main thread and this little felt piece that, that came from the accessory bag to put the main thread line. But she actually says they should have a line on the outside so that we actually could do it. There is a shelf for sleeves, so it's pretty cool. You can slide a sleeve into the sewing area, and here is a special compartment. You put all your small items in there. Now, it didn't come with a carry case or anything else like that, so I'm going to go ahead and, it did come with a cover that you can put the handle through. And as you can see, this thing is actually very lightweight, and I don't know, this is definitely an entry-level sewing machine. So anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this quick unboxing was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.